Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, another new AI tool review and a tutorial. The tool we are going to discuss today and explore today is Leap AI. The official domain name is TryLeap.ai. Now with this tool you can create license-free music by using text as well as you can generate images using text. Now, before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. On this note, let's move ahead and try and understand how we can use this tool to our benefit. So once you log in, you would be treated with this dashboard. So you can see there are some stock photos, wallpapers, logos, art, characters, etc. And for these avatars and professional headshots, etc., like a professional photo shoot, if you want to do for any of your product. Now all these categories come under the upgraded, that's a premium model. In the freemium model, you get up to 100 images which you can generate. I can say I've already done 48 out of 100 over here, and you also get to do music. So first, let's explore the image generation part. So images, you can see over here. Try now. When you click over here, so here you can give a prompt of what you want to do. Here you can see at the left hand side, you're going to see some stock photos, whatever is there, which have been generated. If you click on any one, you're going to get the prompt what has been used to generate this particular images. So if you are feeling lost, you can anytime. Now these are the logos. So this looks good. Let's select this. So you can see a design a unique eye-catching logo for a coffee shop, incorporating a coffee and a stream in a creative way. This looks good. Now, if you want to check out something else, logos, okay, something else, art form. So now this looks beautiful. It's an ancient and mystical forest lit by moonlight with towering trees, etc. So what you can do is you can go ahead and create. So I'm going to try a new prompt over here. I've already done a few to explore it out. So let's say uh, create a 4K image of a brother. Today it's Raksha Bandhan here in India, so let's try and create something for it. Create a 4K image of brother and sister in Indian ethnic wear, boy wearing kurti and pajama, girl wearing kurti pajama with dupatta. Okay, so let's click on generate. So as it's generating over here, I can move ahead and show you some images over here. Indian Sikh driver with a turban. This was trying to create image for the Gadar 2 cash-in. Oh yeah, I've already tried exploring. This was brother and sister dressed in Indian attire. So these were the images that have been generated over here. 4K image of an Indian couple and 20 doing sky activities. So here are the images. 4K images of a couple. This didn't render out the best, like open SUV kind. This didn't get the best output. Probably the prompt wasn't clear. 4K Indian couple sitting in a luxury yacht. So this was quite good. Now this was a really beautiful image of a couple sitting in a small boat with oars and a full moon night with glittering stars. So the more prompt you give, the better. You can see like on all the images generated, this was one of the most beautiful one I liked. Even this one over here, couple on a full moon night. Then here is another one, and for me, this looks images look so realistic over here. So I just tried and did a Google reverse image to check out whether these were being picked up from somewhere and placed over here, but I couldn't find any image over here. And so you can see overall, let's see if our image has been generated over here in the meanwhile. So I guess it is. So here it is. So since here, like we have just, since we didn't give any action command over here, you can see only uh, the kids dressed up in Indian ethnic wear. So if you had to give a more as a command like tying a rakhi or something like that, or holding a hand sort of, it would have generated your image like that. So it all depends on your prompt. So when you're doing over here, you have another setting over here, show advanced options. So if you want to put in some negative prompts, so if you want to adjust the dimensions, whether you want a landscape, you want a portrait, etc., you can very well do here before giving over here. If you want to give negative prompts, you can do over here. So in this way, you can go ahead and generate images, and quite they give you very good decent output, like each about 100 images what you can generate. You can see for the testing purpose, I've already done a few already, and the output has been quite beautiful. Next we'll come to check out the text to music part. So what I've done is, initial I just picked up the here a suspenseful, I just picked up this to try it out, a suspenseful orchestral piece for a thriller chase scene, and clicked on generate. So this is the output. It's a 16-second music which has been generated by AI. Beautiful enough. And here another one which is there, ambient nature sounds, wind, water, birds for meditation purpose. So I clicked again on this. So right now I can't generate because I'm exceeded the limit, I think already, because I tried again. So I'll try it out once over here. Okay, uh, college, let's say uh, romantic tune to express love. So I guess my this thing is over. Free trial for generate text to music over here, because it had given me the prompt. That's the reason probably it's not processing. See, we have reached a free trial limit for the music part. So, but both the image as well as music was quite phenomenal. So if you plan to upgrade, which I think if you are having a professional this thing, then you might very well go ahead and upgrade yourself to either of these plans over here. And I hope that you like this particular video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. How did you like it? Which tool you like the best?